Have you ever seen a metal that melts in your hand? Imagine holding something that looks like silver, feels like glass, but the moment your skin touches it, it turns into a shiny liquid. That's gallium, one of the strangest elements on Earth. But what would happen if you didn't just hold it? What if you actually swallowed it? Would it melt inside your body? Could it burn your throat, freeze your stomach, or stay there forever like a tiny pool of liquid metal? Today, we're diving deep into this bizarre question to find out what really happens when science meets the impossible. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we've got even crazier what if stories coming your way. Now, let's find out what happens when gallium enters the human body. So, let's say you actually did it, you swallowed a small piece of gallium. At first, it might seem harmless. After all, it's not like mercury. Gallium isn't highly toxic. But here's the strange part. The human body is not built to handle metal in liquid form. The moment gallium touches your warm mouth, it starts melting instantly. It flows down your throat as a silvery liquid, sticking to everything in its path. You might not feel pain, but your body would start reacting. Your stomach acids, strong enough to dissolve meat, would try to attack the metal. Yet gallium doesn't easily react to acid. Instead, it just sits there, shimmering, refusing to dissolve. Doctors say gallium wouldn't poison you directly, but it could block your digestive system. Imagine a puddle of metal coating the lining of your stomach, reflecting light like a mirror inside you. Over time, your body would try to push it out naturally, but until then, you'd feel strange heaviness, nausea, and even sharp stomach cramps. Now, here's where it gets weirder. Gallium reacts with aluminum, the metal used in soda cans, and even some parts of your body's implants. If it touched any aluminum material, it would destroy it completely. The gallium would make aluminum crumble like wet sand. So if you had any surgical implant or metal dental filling, the gallium could cause real damage. And this is just the beginning, because while it doesn't melt your insides, it can change the chemistry of your body in surprising ways. Inside your body, gallium begins to act like a trickster. It doesn't just sit there quietly. It starts interfering with how your cells communicate. You see, gallium can mimic iron, one of the most essential elements your body needs to stay alive. When gallium replaces iron in your blood, your red blood cells can't transport oxygen as efficiently. Imagine your body slowly being deprived of breath, even while you're still breathing normally. Fatigue, dizziness, and a strange metallic taste might start to appear. Meanwhile, deep in your stomach, the gallium's reflective surface begins to shimmer under dim light. It's like having a liquid mirror inside you. The acid bubbles around it but can't break it down, so the gallium stays intact, spreading slowly like quicksilver. If your body absorbs even trace amounts, it could travel through your bloodstream and reach your liver, kidneys, and even bones. There, it binds to enzymes, confusing your natural metabolism. Scientists actually use gallium in medicine. In tiny doses, it can help fight certain infections and cancers. But inside an unprepared human body, uncontrolled gallium turns from a helpful metal to a silent saboteur. And now imagine hours pass and your body is still struggling. The gallium doesn't burn, it doesn't dissolve, it doesn't vanish. It simply waits, reflecting your insides back at themselves. But then your stomach starts trying to expel it. Pain intensifies. Your body wants it out. Fast. Your body is now on full alert. The stomach muscles contract, trying to eject the strange metal, but gallium is heavy and slick, refusing to move. Your digestive system shifts into overdrive, producing more acid, more heat, The inner war between human biology and liquid metal has begun. Soon, nausea hits. You feel dizzy, your pulse quickens, and your body starts to sweat as it attempts to detoxify itself. Some of the gallium gets trapped in the small intestine, where it begins to cool again, forming tiny silver droplets that roll along the folds of tissue, like droplets of mercury sliding across a mirror. Your liver kicks in, trying to filter out what's left, but gallium doesn't belong to any natural biological category. It's not food, not poison, it's something in between. The kidneys can't break it down either, so traces begin to accumulate there, turning your internal organs into unwilling storage chambers for metal. After hours, maybe a day, you'd start to feel exhausted. The body is drained, dehydrated, and fighting a battle it was never designed for. Most likely, the gallium that didn't get expelled through vomiting or waste would remain inside you, harmless in small bits, but dangerous if too much of it gathers. It's not instantly deadly, but it's definitely not something you'd walk away from without consequences. The strange shimmering metal might stay within you for weeks, reflecting silently from the shadows of your organs, a metallic souvenir from your reckless experiment. So, what happens after swallowing gallium? If you're lucky, and the dose was tiny, your body might survive the ordeal with minor damage. But if you swallowed a large amount, the metal could coat your digestive tract, block nutrient absorption, and even disrupt your organs' function. It wouldn't dissolve or disappear. It would sit there, slowly poisoning the system that keeps you alive. Doctors would likely pump your stomach or use special treatments to flush the metal out. But even then, traces could remain. Tiny silver ghosts shimmering inside you, reminding you of your mistake. In the end, gallium isn't the deadliest substance on Earth, but it's still not meant to be inside a human body. Its beauty and curiosity belong in science labs, not in our stomachs. So, the next time you see someone melting gallium into a shiny puddle, remember, it's meant to fascinate, not to consume. Because in science, curiosity is powerful, but so is common sense. And that's it for today's strange experiment. If you enjoyed this journey into the weird and dangerous, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and ring the bell so you won't miss the next mind-bending What If video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.